Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our fire extinguisher bracket on a GR Corolla. Let's go. Okay, before we get into installing, I just want to show you about the design. The unique thing about our bracket is once you have installed it, the beauty is you grab a standard 4mm Allen key, pop off the two stainless steel bolts, and you can quickly detach it from the car and you leave this in the car. This saves a lot of space and you don't always have to have an ugly fire extinguisher bracket stuck in your car. So with that out the way, let's get installing. The first step is to go buy yourself a fire extinguisher. So what you want is a 1 kilo fire extinguisher like that. The extinguisher will come with its own holder. This is separate to the kit. If you can, try and buy one that has a metal bracket like this one. Now, what you want to do is, once you have your fire extinguisher, you want to mount it to the first piece. So what you got to do is grab your mount, put it in the slots there, and use the included hardware to bolt it down. So let's do that first. Okay, so I'll remove the fire extinguisher from the mount. Use the included hardware that we provide to bolt the mount to the bracket and then tighten it from the back. There is some side-to-side movement, so make sure you get it to where you want it first. There's also movement there, though, you don't need to worry too much. Also, if you're able to, depending on which side of the car you're putting on, try to have the sort of release on the top. So if you're on the bottom, it's a bit tricky. So if you can, have the release on the top. Now that I've assembled the mount and the first half of the fire bracket, all I got to do now is install the main piece into the car. To install the horizontal piece, first you need to get to the back. At the back of the seat rails, there's two bolts. You just need to loosen them first so we can get the seat raised at the front. So let's undo two of those. You need a T50 Torx bit. Now you need to remove the two front bolts on the rail, T50, and take the bolts completely out. Okay, now what you can do is just raise the seat up a little bit so there's a gap. Grab your stainless steel beam and just make sure the holes are to the back, and then you can slip it in underneath and put your bolts in. Now, just make sure the bracket is straight. I like to have it flush on these plastic clips here. You can adjust it like that. So, line it and then tighten them down. And then tighten the back and you're done. Okay, all that's left now is to grab your first piece, which is already bolted to the bracket there. Line up the holes in the slots, pick a spot, and then bolt it down with the bolts provided. All you need to do, this part is a 4mm Allen key. Fire extinguisher all installed into GR Corolla. Now, the beauty of design is that, one, you get the full range of the seat movement there. You also can detach it quickly too. So you don't have a detach track there for a little while and it's a bit unsightly, or your missus complains or whatever, you can just take out the two bolts with a 4mm Allen key and detach the whole thing and store it outside the car. Now, everything that we provide in terms of the brackets and the hardware is all stainless steel. So it's going to be probably one of the strongest parts in the car. This does fit on the driver's side, and it's also compatible with left-hand and right-hand drive vehicles. So I hope this video was useful, and thanks for watching.